Hi, I'm Navin Indurjeet. I am an account director managing public sector business at Rubrik, South Africa. So the value of Rubrik is definitely around cyber resiliency. If you look at where we are today as a country and we look at the attack surfaces that's happening across not only South Africa but across the globe, hackers are getting in. They're no more breaking in, they're logging in. And when we look at the Zero Trust framework and we look at how hackers are getting in, we need to assume breach constantly. And when we assume breach, we've got to be resilient enough to ensure that we can recover effectively and quickly from a cyber attack. Now, if you look at the traditional way of doing backup, there was an old legacy system created 30 years ago in terms of securing mainframe, server compute, hypervisor, and now into the cloud era, we're still using the same traditional way to back up. Rubrik has changed the dynamics around that. We now have built a cyber resilient way to back up, where we've moved away from the architectural legacy systems to a new way of architecturally backing up, where we can actually guarantee recovery for a customer. We believe that we can do it 100 times faster than most of our competitors. We believe that through our ransomware recovery team, which we provide to our customers free of service to ensure that you recover your environment effectively, and with also our cybersecurity, cyber resiliency insurance, we are confident as an organization that we will be able to back up your environment and recover it effectively. Thank you.